So here we have your new snap strap, earphones, clips, and some water. Position your snap strap so that the narrow ends are facing up. You'll want to insert the cable about 10 to 14 centimeters away from the earphone. Slip the cable into the slit. Take your clip with the eye facing down and moisten it with the water so that it may slip on easier. Slip it on to secure the cable. Repeat the process on the other side, securing the cable the same distance away, 10 to 14 centimeters. Insert the cable into the slit. Moisten your clip and slip it on. Your snap strap is now ready to be used.